chemistry. So it's around 12:30 now, and I just finished the lecture. It's supposed to be general chemistry, but I think like the guy taught more of physical chemistry, which is weird. Actually, I'm not really sure. I think it's just maybe for today's lecture. I was talking about like thermodynamics and Gibbs free energy, and there were a lot of like math stuff, and I mean it's familiar I guess, but I don't really like it. Although the professor kind of delivered it in a very interesting way, and very engaging, so that was kind of cool. And you can see some of these leaves have, like some of these trees have their leaves are all fallen off already, so quite obviously it's winter, even though it's like kind of hot. Okay, now it's not really hot, but it's just warm. So I will be on my way to Taiwan soon, but I'll probably have lunch first on campus, I guess. Yeah.